谢谢。First stop on the Jianshui old railway, play with slingshots. Not go to the bridge. Go. Missed. Try again. 中间位置看。这个吗？对。Nope. So far I missed every time, but I guarantee you this one I hit it. Any farther away.
Do you need to pay for this?
I asked him and he's like, here you go.
要不要的
I want to hit it one time. Ready? Eat first time. I gotta pull it with more vigor, more strength. Pull it back so it shoots more straight. They hit it every time.
Do you hear this?
Yeah. You didn't hear it? Oh! Okay, so I'm at the final station of the Jianshui old train. There's 3 stations. It takes 4 hours in total, so about 3 hours on the way, and then they don't stop on the way back. For 120 kuai for the soft seat, 100 kuai for hard seat, so about 15-20 bucks. It's probably the best thing to do in Jianshui. The scenery is very nice, and it's always fun to ride on an old train. A lot of places in China are kind of the same, but riding on an old railway car. Track is like 1 meter, narrow gauge. There's not very many of those left in China, if there ever were. I don't know my history of Chinese trains, so I'm sure somebody, if you're watching, can correct me. But there's not very many of these now, if there ever were. In Jianshui, you probably can't beat it. So this is the last stop. It's a village called Tuanshan, and it's 30 renminbi to get in. An actual ancient town, and only ancient people living here. 这是什么呀？这是什么呀？阿姨 ，Oh my god， 这个是什么东西啊？ The 阿姨 won't talk to me. I don't know why. Maybe because of the camera, but usually still talk. 恭喜发财。